Okay, guys, here we go. This is the guided practice, page 112. I asked you to do 1 through 7. Now let's go over the answers before we do anything else. The answers are number 1, 27 hundredths. Number 2, 15 hundredths. Number 3, 4 hundredths. Number 4, 30%. Number 5 is 82%. Number 6 is 51%. Number 7 is 70%. All right, let's just get right to it. If you got them all right, you can turn this off right now and walk away. You're good to go. All right, we have 27%. Now, according to the directions, it says write each percent as a decimal. Now, guys, I'm not going to do both ways for all of these. You pick the way that works best. You'll see me do what I do, but that's the way I do it. You do it the way that works for you. Okay? You can always ask questions later if you're not sure why I did what I did. All right. So I'm going to be talking to myself as I do this, so just ignore the crazy person. All right, 27%. It is less than 100%. That means I have less than one whole. So my decimal number will definitely be 0 point something. I won't have a whole number. 0 point blah blah. Whatever, how many places it needs. But I'll just do this just for a moment. All right. I personally like this. 27 hundredths. 27 hundredths. Easy peasy. Number 2. 15%. Again, it's less than 1, right? It's less than 100%, so it definitely means I have less than 1. I don't have a whole. So my decimal number will definitely be 0 point something. 15%, 15 per 100. That's 15 hundredths. Boom, boom. There we go. Again, 2 zeros, 2 place values, if that helps you. All right. I'm going kind of fast because it just should be this easy. Now, if it's not, please ask questions. I will guide you through this, but I can't help you if you don't say anything. All right, 4%, 4 hundredths, right? 4%, 4 per 100. And like I said, I don't have a whole number, and I predicted that already. 4 per 100, 2 place values, 1, 2. And I'm just going to write the number 4, because that's definitely 4. And I'll put zeros in front of it so it doesn't change the value, and it's still 4. 0 and 4 hundredths. Okay, number 4. Now we're going backwards. 0 0.3. I have a decimal number. I want a percent. A percent, I'm going to go to the right, 2 spaces. Go to the right, 2 spaces. All right, so 0 0.3. 2 spaces to the right. 1, 2. Add my percent symbol. So I really have 30.0%, but I don't have to add the 0.0, so it's just 30%. Okay? The next one I'm going to do a little slower, because I think I might have lost some of you already. Maybe. Number 5, 0 0.82. 0 0.82. I'm going to move the decimal point to the right 2 spaces, 1, 2. So it becomes 82.0. 82.0. I add the decimal point, the percent symbol, and I can take away the 0.0. And it's just 82%. Okay. Again, as I do this and you're copying this, please add notes to yourself. Oh, don't forget to remove the 0.0 if there is one. Okay. Number 6. I'm going to go a little faster. No, let's not do that. Hey, you came to me for help. If I go too fast, how's that going to help you? All right. 0 0.51. 1, 2. 51.0%. Well, that's the same thing as just 51%. Okay. Last one. It's a word problem. About 0.7 tenths, excuse me, I forgot what to say there. 0.7 tenths of the human body is water. What percent is equivalent to 0.7 or 0 and 7 tenths? So this is the number that we have, 0.7 or 0 and 7 tenths. Now we want to know the percent. Okay. For this one, I'm going to do it 2 ways. 7 tenths is literally what it says, 7 tenths. I want a percent. That means I want the denominator to be 100. Per 100, percent. I'm going to scale up by a factor of 10. I'll do the same thing here. 70 per 100, 70%. But if you don't want to do that, you want to go straight to it, 0.7, 0.7. I'm going to move that decimal point to the right. 2 spots, 1, 2. So I have 70.0%, but you remove the 0.0, and you just have 70%. And that's the guided practice. It really can go that fast. It really can be that easy. Just keep your head. It's all about that decimal point. If I'm going to the percent side, it's 2 spaces to the right. If I'm going to the decimal, if I have a percent, I'm going to the decimal side, it's 2 spaces to the left. Right, left, percent, decimal number. Okay?